Ayan, TJIS, Matlambadis. Ngayon nagluto ako ng kare-kare para special Saturday. Ang ginamit kong part, yung part ng buntot. Tsaka buto-buto doon sa pigi. Yan. Sarap. So, inalo ko na yung gulay. Tapos naggisa ako ng bagoong. Yan. Kain po tayo. Oops. Present si Maywagang Kamay. At syempre, dalawa sila. Ngayon, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to watch, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frederick Carayon. Eat well and stay well. Keep safe and God bless us all. Smile and happy lang palagi.